Hello, friends. Yes, I still have an office cleaning job. So, let's go to work. Let's go. So, as you see, I like to bring Bella with me. It kind of helps me, but you know what? I think in the end, I'm her service animal. Anyway, I want to share these diamond arts things with them. These are Christmas ornaments. They like to do arts and crafts, and so I thought these are super cute, and I wanted to share them with you. So, I've been doing this for 8 months now, and we've had a really, really good year doing this office cleaning. There is not a lot to it, so I don't really have much in the way of video to bring you. And that's because it only takes me about 30 to 45 minutes to do this job. And the reason why is because I do it weekly. I charge $100. That is going to change if they accept my bid for 2025. But the reason for that is just the cost of living. Now, the reason for the price being a little higher than normal is because I clean all of the rooms. The public restroom, the public space where I'm at now, the kitchen, and the rooms for the nonprofit. There's a nonprofit that shares this space with them, and that's actually who my cleaning contract is for the nonprofit. They help the lower income families. They help other families with computer skills, after school projects, things like that. They have little events. Like tonight is bingo. So, and Mr. and Mrs. Claus is going to be there, all that kind of fun. Anyway, there's really not a lot to talk about. And I know I've been asked questions about this, and I haven't brought you a video in several months about it. But when it comes to cleaning, the best bet and the best advice I can give you is just use your common sense and do what needs to be done. The only time this gets tough for me is if I need to do something extra, such as cleaning out the refrigerator or something like that. Other than that, this is a quick in and out. A lot of times, if they don't have a lot going on, I just do a focus your energy kind of thing, the same as what I would do on a detail. If it's a clean detail, I just focus my energy on the parts that need it. In the public areas, I'll give it a little bit more. And that's because they're the ones that are seen and higher traffic and things like that. I suggest maybe going to YouTube if this is something you're wanting to do. And you can watch some videos on what you would need to do in an office to clean. The other thing that I do want to say is this is very easy work. I mean, this is good money for very little time invested and work invested. You could literally set aside one day out of your week for nothing but office cleans and make very good money doing this. And hopefully in 2025, when I kind of get everything sorted out after a very busy year, I may do that. But until then, I guess we'll see how it goes. Thanks for hanging out on my channel, guys. I sure do appreciate it. And until the next video, we'll see you later. Peace.